Hello guys, Namaskar, I'm Ronit and welcome back to my channel The Bomb Connection. Today I'm going to react to the official MV for BTS Life Goes On. I'm very excited. Cannot wait to watch this. Started premiering a few minutes ago. Let's react to this. 3, 2, 1 and go. I'm so excited. It just premiered right now. Post Corona. Oh, they are. It's so beautiful. Look at the shot.
아직도 멈추질 않아 저 먹구름보다 빨리 달려가 그럼 될 줄 알았는데 나 겨우 사람인가 봐 몹시 아프네 세상이란 놈이 지갑기 덕분에 눌러보는 먼지 쌓인 배갑기 넘어진 채 청하는 엇박자의 춤 겨울이 오면 내 시자
Jin wearing a nice suit is love.
끝이 보이지 않아 출구가 있긴 한가발이 뜨지지 않아 사람들은 말해 세상이 다 변했대 다행히도 우리 사이는 아직 여태 안 변했네 늘 하던 시작과 끝 안녕이란 말로 오늘과 내일 또 함께 이어보자고 멈춰있지 마 어둠에 숨지 마 빛은 더 떠오르니까 끝이 보이지 않아 출구가 있긴 한
Close up shot of Taeyeon's face.
잠시 두 눈을 감아 여기 내 손을 잡아 저 미래로 달아나자
Wow.
Like an echo in the forest 하루가 돌아오겠지 아무 일도 없던 듯이 Yeah, life goes on Like an arrow in the blue sky 또 하루 또 날아갔지 On my pillow, on my table Yeah, life goes on like this again I remember
Is it me or this was just too emotional? I don't know, I have literal tears in my eyes. There was something about this song. It was magical. It was beautiful. The song, like one of the most beautiful songs I have ever heard in my life, and definitely the most beautiful song I have heard from BTS. I think it touches your heart. The moment it started, I knew that this is going to be a slow, melodic ballad and ballad. What is ballad? Ballad, and it just pierced my heart from the beginning to the end. And the lyrics, oh my god, such powerful lyrics, such beautiful lyrics. As usual, it has this amazing power to make your heart flutter, at the same time make you feel so many emotions. And the voices, oh my god, I love the fact that they kept their voices so low, mellow, and even the rap portions were so soft, and it went with the flow. So I loved it. This whole video is love. Like, I could see the real 7 Bangtan boys together, it being so real, being just themselves. This is how we see them all the time in other videos, having fun, living life, not thinking about what's going to happen in the future, and not letting their past affect their present. So this whole video is about living your present. No matter what happens in your life, in your past, you have to move on. Life goes on. Like, how many troubles, how many problems you have in your life, don't let them affect you, and just move on. Such a beautiful song, such a beautiful and powerful message, especially this is needed in this year, which is doomed everywhere. Like, so many people are losing their loved ones, so many actors, actresses, so many people are dying this year, so many losses. But at the same time, we know that we cannot do anything about it. We just want to erase this year and move forward to 2021. But yes, this is what the reality is. We have to live a life, and then we have to move on. Life moves on. It's very tough, it's very hard, excruciatingly painful, but we have to do that. No matter how hard your life right now is, you have to know that it will get better. So, beautiful message. Oh my god, each and every one of them looked surreal. I love the fact that they kept this whole video very real. Their normal selves, wearing their pajamas, wearing their normal, where it's not over the top, it's not, the MV style kind of a video. It's just a kind of video you can just wake up to, watch it, and feel fresh all of a sudden. All the guys were looking beautiful as usual. I love that they focus so much on V's face. Like, he has a beautiful face. Like, you have to. Like, his features are just unreal. His eyes, his lips, his fingers, everything. And I fell in love more with him after Hwarang. Oh my god, I cried my eyes out. I bawled my eyes out after that scene when he died. Though I knew, even like from before only, that he was going to die. But still, I cried my eyes out. It was very powerful. After that, there was no going back. Like, definitely a new bias has been born. Like, I always liked V, but after that show, he definitely earned more and more love and respect in my heart. Like, he was so good in that show. And Jin, of course. Then they also zoomed in on Jin's face, and I don't know, his eyes and his face did something to me, and tears started rolling down my eyes. Like, that was the time I became emotional. There was something very strong about the way he was staring at the camera. I don't know what it was, but he made me cry. So beautiful. I just love this song. I will listen to it on loop. I will watch this again and again. BTS Love Forever. This is such a beautiful treat for all the ARMYs. Oh my god. Thank you very much for hanging out with me and watching this MV with me. I'm a little sick, but I don't care. I had to watch this. Like, yes. So guys, put a thumbs up and I'll be your thoughts and suggestions. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And if you're a fellow Indian ARMY, a Bengali ARMY, let me know down below in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and help me reach the 20,000 subscriber mark, and wait for more such amazing MVs. I'll be seeing you guys again. Until then, keep liking, subscribing and sharing. Love. Ciao.